1 in 7 men in the U.S. will be diagnosed with prostate cancer over the course of their lifetime. That's according to the American Cancer Society. It's encouraging that prostate cancer patients are living longer than ever before, something to celebrate now on the heels of September, Prostate Cancer Awareness Month. Here this morning, Dr. Jeffrey Albaugh and Tom Kirk is the president and CEO of Us Two International. Welcome.
Well, thank you.
Thank you, Mary.
So I touched on it. Help us better understand just how prevalent prostate cancer is.
Well, prostate cancer is the major cancer aside from skin cancer. So it's what we often think of as it's similar to breast cancer statistics in women. So this is a major cancer, major issue for men. So we want to make sure that we raise awareness and attention to the seriousness of this disease.
What are some of the lifestyle concerns, doctor, that patients have once they're diagnosed with prostate cancer? What do they wonder, the now whats?
So first of all, Mary, the good news is you hear the word cancer and it's really frightening, but most men, especially with localized prostate cancer, will survive. So survivorship is very high for prostate cancer, especially when it's caught early. And even with advanced prostate cancer and the advent of newer treatments in the last decade, patients are living longer, and that's great news. But now, how do I have the best possible life? How do I live with prostate cancer or the treatments for prostate cancer? And how do I navigate through all of that, living that, and the information needed to do that? So education is empowerment, and it's really essential to get good information both from your healthcare provider and from other sources as well.
So what are some of those greatest concerns? I know what your specialty is sexual health. Is that one of the greatest concerns?
Absolutely, Mary. So some of the main concerns brought up by patients in research, and as well in my own work as a researcher and an advanced practice nurse in my clinic, I find that patients are struggling with, number one, worry about sexual issues, also worry about bladder issues, pain. How can I live the fullest life after prostate cancer treatment? So these concerns are legitimate, and navigating your way through not only treatment but the after effects of treatment is very important, because certainly there's over 2 million men in the United States alone living with prostate cancer, and those men have full lives and can live in a way that is productive and meaningful to them.
Is there a place where you would direct our viewers, and my guess is you would encourage them to talk to their physicians about those concerns, about treatment options that are available, but is there one website where you might also send them to read up?
Absolutely.
Yes, Mary, you're exactly right to direct people to the Us Two website, which is www.ustoo.org. So us2.org is a central place. You can find out where support groups are in your own communities. You can find an 800 number to call for a helpline, and you can also go on to social communities where you can find answers and advice as well.
Well, as we know, with all types of cancer, science is very important, but support is so important too, and you bring us that, Tom. Dr. Albaugh, we appreciate your time as well. Thank you both.
Thank you, Mary.
Thank you, Mary.
All right, Mike.